little sister always has something going on. Look, was that cardboard food? Hi, what is it? Don't look. Go to class and we'll watch the box. Just don't open it. Come on, open it up. Where are we? Everything is made out of cardboard here. Let's look around. My bad. Cardboard students, I'm giving you all F's. Is that really a teacher? He's made out of cardboard as well? A stash looks good on you. Whoops. Ollie, turn around. High five. Greetings. Run! That's a teacher. We're trapped. Class is starting. Take your seats. All right. We don't have a choice. Whoa! I'm real! Hi! What was that? Lunchtime! Bon appetit! Whoa! Instant delivery! What's for lunch? Cardboard soda? Cardboard fries? And a cardboard burger? How am I supposed to eat that? You're right. I forgot ketchup. That'll be better. Cardboard ketchup? Really? What? I have a cardboard lunch as well. I'm not eating that. Ben, cut it out. Looks yummy. Wow. The burger is delicious. I need paper clips. Oh man, I dropped them all. Pick them up now. I'm doing my best, but they keep falling. Oh, Ben. And now write down the topic of today's class. Here, an apple. Thanks. No, it's a paperclip box. Cut apple pieces out of cardboard using a template and glue a box together. Fill it with paper clips. Thanks, sis.
What?
Your new task is to cut out a cardboard guitar for a music class. I have a better idea. I'll cut out a cardboard crossbow. Cut pieces out of cardboard and glue them together. Assemble a crossbow using rubber bands. Load it with cardboard hearts. Done! Loading! Fire! Holly! Whoa! Good idea! Can I try? Sure! Here are some targets. Take aim! Yeah! Bullseye! What is going on here? Out! Some kind of a crossbow. How do you work it? That's a lot of fun. Don't tell anyone. Hi, y'all. Holly? Sis, you turned into cardboard. What do we do now? Here, have some candy. It might help. It didn't. Ben, she needs different candy. Cardboard candy. Nothing's working. Sis, what do I do? Enjoy. What's he so sad about? Holly, what do you think of my case? Cute? You bet. That's nothing. My pencil case can transform into different things. My pencil case is so plain. And after that, it goes back to being a case. Cut out cardboard rings in pieces. Hot glue them together. Adding clear plastic sheets. Don't worry. Here, you can have it. Whoa! Turn it into a backpack. Whoops! Didn't work. Here's my locker. Huh? There's a whole cardboard classroom in here. This is my chance to get free. Hi, sweetie. Move! It's all gone. Don't know the answer? I do. Tell me the right answer. Thank you. I finished the test. That was easy. Your time's up, Holly. Very bad, Ben. Excellent. You nailed it. What is that? A desk lamp for you. Whoa! Thank you! What about my test? I love this lamp. What's this? A formula? It's a cheat sheet. Ben, this is for you. A gift. An F? Seriously? Why? These new pens are so nice. He needs my help! A pen organizer is ready! I got it! Cut a stand out of cardboard using a template. Add cuts and bend it. Make an elephant. Am I alive? That's good! Sweet cookies! Oh no! The test starts now! Get to work! Time to take my cheat sheet out! I came prepared too! Let's see! No cheating! I see! No one will see my cheat sheet! Cover cardboard with tape. Draw parts of a cactus. Cut it out and put it on a toothpick. Decorate a cup with cardboard. Fill it with sand. And put it in the cactus pieces. Roxy, what is this? A cactus! Of course! It's a cheat sheet! An F for you and you! A cactus, huh? Ouch! I got poked! What is it? A pageant! The winner gets to leave the cardboard college. You need a total makeover if you want to win. I'll help you out. Whoa! Great! Come along! And the crown goes to Nancy! Congratulations! Another test.
Oh no.
I'm turning into cardboard! I also got a cardboard arm. You can draw anything you want on it. Awesome! I know how to stop it. The calendar. I'll change it to prom day. Cut out and assemble cardboard cubes. Glue on cardboard numbers. Assemble a cardboard block and add months. Make the base of the calendar out of cardboard. Congrats! Your diplomas! You are all free! We made it! A portal! Holly, run! Where are Holly and Ben? Where are you going? My arm! What? I have to tell you. I like you. Roxy, I like you too. So much.